Okay, now you can do it.
I love you.
No, what did you say about this place? Is that...
Martello.
Who
This is Martello.
who lives there?
I don't know.
Thomas?
Yes? Listen to it.
Where does Thomas Jefferson live?
They live in here.
He lives in there. What's that place called?
Martello.
Do you like Monticello?
Yeah.
Who was Thomas Jefferson's wife?
A stripe.
Who was the girl? Remember the girl in the picture with Thomas?
Where?
Who's that?
I don't know.
The president, George. Remember George?
No. Go back.
Wait. Let me show you. The girl. Who's the girl?
I don't know.
His wife.
What?
The one he would sing with.
Who sings?
Who's that?
Who?
What's
Who?
her name?
I don't know.
Ma. What's her name?
Yes.
Do you
Now go back.
Now go back.
Now can go back.
Where does Thomas Jefferson live?
They live
Ma. What's the name of his house? Monticello?
in. Yes?
You say
Martello.
it.